Alright, well, I need to change my oil. And I'm not going to follow that guy, so I'm going to go straight. I'm out here just to warm the bike up, doing a little heater up loop, if you will. It's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, y'all. Hope it was a good one. You won't see this for a while. Ah, a Tesla owner who owns a gun. Probably your first time, huh? Good to hear, bud. Oh, so I'm putting my gloves on. Look at that. This fucking thing it ripped right off. I mean, I bought them, let's just say they're probably the last ones. They were on sale. They're perforated. Maybe last year's model, you know. I needed some new summer gloves and fly racing. I have nothing against fly, but don't pull the tag. Don't pull the Velcro tag. I didn't mean to, but I didn't know they were just gonna rip off. I think that truck beat me. Nice. I tried that slow and steady wins the race thing at Virginia City, and it didn't work for me. Pretty nice out. Check this feature out though, this is nice. Hey, I don't know. Maybe, yeah. Is there even a point? There, now they're there. Son of a... Hey. Alright, the bike speaketh, and we brapped. Oh, tampon disposal site. I didn't know I was there. And malt liquor, obviously teenagers. Whoa, easy, but hey, easy. Make some dust. Actually, I'm gonna go this way. How about a dip? Nah, no thanks. I guess I'll have one anyway. Point and point. So let's pick up some beer. Right here in the shade, look at that. It's meant to be. And yes, I do tie my helmet up with gloves on. Because I'm a real man. Ah, but I forgot my key. Because I'm a real dumb man. Alright, crack it loose. Ready? Gonna get oily. Booyah. Why booyah? Alright, I know I'm cluttered in here, it's fine. We're organized. We're organized. Gotta get a mileage, but we are 5, 12, 24. Oil change with filter. I'm just gonna do this. How about that? We're getting smarter. Gotta get my mileage. I think I'm in the 4,000 mark. We're close, maybe 38. Okay. Proper oil filter. Should be able to come off by hand. Maybe one over tightens those puppies. Oil change with oil filter, 2.75 quarts. Come with me. Alright, so 4 of these to 18 ounces, 0.8. I'll just divide this in half, dump that, and then check the window after I fire it up. We'll top it off. Cool, 4 of those. Good work. Let's start off by putting a little bit in my oil filter because I like to do that. I'm a doer of this. Touches, quarter turn. Okay. Put the oil plug back in. Number 3. And I think it's going to need a little bit more than this. I'm just playing it safe. Nice and red and new. Forgot to wipe that off. Yeah. High school kit. All right, let's check that mileage. Mileage 4105. Oil filter 22 Yamaha. Tenere. Got all the bikes in there.